Hi friends, so we are at the Mumbai Duty Free. We are at the international airport after almost 3 years, and I'm going to take you on a tour with me to the duty free sections and look at what all liquors they have and what all things you can pre-order, book when you are at Mumbai International Airport Duty Free. So today we are not going to look at food, but we are going to look at a lot of alcohols and what you can pre-order, what you can book. So welcome to Spice Dhamal. I'm your host Nitin, and I'm really excited because I'm on my way to Phuket, Thailand. Now this is going to be our family trip, international trip, almost after 3 years and all this COVID period. So really looking forward to that. So let's check out the alcohol section at the Mumbai Duty Free. So just after you clear the immigration, you have this massive shopping area which is known as the Mumbai Terminal 2 Duty Free. It had got chocolates, perfumes, alcohol, cigarettes, a lot of things which you can buy in duty free and at a good price and at a discount. So we are going to check out the what is on offer on drinks. As we Indians love our whiskies, the large section is dedicated to different varieties of whiskies. There is a very good section on Glen series or Glen Morangi, the single malt whiskies, and the variety is at of different level. So you can buy really expensive ones which are displayed at couple of lakhs, but if you don't want that, at a fair price of around 10 to 15,000 you can get good single malts as well. Another important thing is all these bottles are 1 liter bottles because as per international standard you can carry 2 liter per person per passport. Then you have a full section on Shiva's Regal. So right from 18-year-old, 12-year-old, 13-year-old, you can find different varieties as per their aged at a good pricing. So most popular brands come in pack of 2, and that's quite economical. You can see here the pack of 2 has 2790 rupees. So Red Label, Famous Grouse, the one which is popularly drank and at a fairly good price. Now we come to the Johnnie Walker area, and you have all the labels right up to green, blue, and the special selections one, all are displayed here. And then there are some really expensive one. You can see this is 4 lakh around for a bottle. I mean, I wonder sometimes who buys those expensive whiskies, but it's a big collectibles market out there who buy these bottles. Now this is the selection of few other very expensive brands which is here, and it is really good to look at. So each individual bottle is very unique and expensive. Now this Glenfiddich is around 3 lakhs. Then you got some champagne and other things as well. I mean, this section has whiskies from around the world apart from the original one. So this is Hipkey, the Japanese most popular whiskey. Very good one. Lot of people like to drink this one. So let us look at, apart from whiskeys, what we got here. So this section looks like rum here. Yes, Bacardi. So you got different varieties of Bacardis. I could easily spot 5-6 ones here, not just the regular one, but apart from that, the darker version, the golden versions, all of Sea Rock. Now this is the popular vodka, so they got different bottles of that as well. Then you have the king of vodka, Smirnoff, and that also comes in different flavors. Best mix with friends, yes. Then these are some of the other brands of vodkas. I really like the blue bottle of Bouquet. And then there is Absolute, Finland's favorite vodka. Now here comes the Mexican favorite tequilas, and I was really amazed by the variety of tequila bottles nowadays we get in duty free. I mean, there are 7 to 8 varieties. I remember a few years back we used to hardly get 1 or 2 in India, so that was a decent selection. Then there is gin and some more rums. So if you pre-order, there is additional discount on some of these bottles. So another big change in Indian duty free is the amount of liqueurs you can get now. Now I could see Grand Marnier here, Cointreau here, Jägermeister's bottle is down there. So these are the items which collectibles keep at home, and these are differently flavored alcohols. You have Pim's number 8, a summer drink of Britain. That is interesting. Now you have these miniatures, so in case if you want some miniatures with you to keep in the showcase or just on the go, you can buy them here as well. So there is a selection of cognac and brandies as well if you have a liking for them. So this is the pre-order counter where you can pre-order and keep the bill properly with you, because when you come back in the country you have to show the bill and collect your bottles. So what we see here is a 13-year-old age Chivas bottle. These are extra age for 1 year, so these are 12 years and 13 years. So the deal is, if you pre-book this, so 2 bottles will come in 5920 instead of 7400, and plus 10% discount if you pre-book. So when you are arriving back in the country, they will keep it ready for you. So I think this is a good deal. I should go for this. So then you have at the back side a big tobacco sections. You can buy 200 cigarettes per person per passport, so you need to note that in mind. And then these are wines from Argentina, Australia, Italy. So there is a big selection there, so you can purchase those as well. And of course there is a big section on chocolates, Indian sweets and all other sweet meat things, so you can buy them as souvenirs or a last minute gifting. Don't forget to press the thumb icon to like the video, press the red button to subscribe to Spice Dhamal's channel, and until we meet again, stay happy, stay healthy, keep traveling, keep eating.